To start with, we have cooked shredded chicken, 1 cup of chopped red onion, 1 cup of chopped colorful peppers, some cheddar cheese. So this is not the normal cheddar cheese, this is the spicy jalapeno cheddar cheese. If you get one, that would be good because it adds a different kind of zing to it. And we have pepper flakes, some mixed herb, ground black pepper, salt, and this is spicy salsa sauce, and some tortilla, ready-made tortilla. So let's start by adding some oil. And 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic, which I forgot to tell you. Once the garlic starts turning brown, add your onion. Add your peppers. If the pan becomes too dry, add some oil. So the veggies, they look cooked now. Now we will add the chicken. Now add the sauce, about half of the container. Now we will add some water to it. Black pepper, some herbs, and chili flakes. Mix well. So we want this to come to a boil, but I think I will add a little bit more of water because I want, after boiling, I want this recipe to have a little bit of sauce left to be poured over the enchiladas. Add your cream cheese. I have a corn tortilla here, but you can use a plain tortilla or a whole wheat one or a garlic one or any tortilla of your choice. So let's get started. So we will place the tortilla here and then try to take just the chicken part I know it's not possible since it's in gravy, but try to take as less gravy as possible and take the chicken and the vegetables and place it on the tortilla on one side. Try to fold it as quickly and cleanly as possible. So just roll it, roll it, roll it, and that's it. Now pour some of the gravy on top of the tortillas. If you get some little bits of chicken into it, don't worry. Now add your cheese slices on top of it. Look at that. All the cheese has melted and it has a beautiful, beautiful color. Take some of the gravy. Oh, it looks so good. Oh, it's so soft. Look at the cheese. It's very hot now. Ooh. Mmm. Mmm. Oh, it's so good. That sauce is amazing. It's so creamy. It's because of the cream cheese that we added. And the tortilla, it's so soft. It goes so well with the creamy sauce and the chicken. But you can use any meat of your choice. Oh, I cannot stop. So go ahead, you guys, try this recipe. It's super easy and it's super yummy for the effort that you give in. It's so little effort and the result is so amazing. I'm gonna finish it. See you in the next video. Bye.